Yoga for weight loss and belly fat. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. The body usually stores excess fat in specific areas, which can differ from person to person. For some, it's the belly; for others, it's the thighs, hips, or shoulders. Targeted weight loss on specific body parts is a myth, but certain exercises can help work out your problem areas to form muscle mass to replace the fat reserves. Yoga offers many such exercises that can help tone your stomach and strengthen your core, while also relieving stress and improving your metabolism.